Hi, Debbie Denke here. Some of you know me as a jazz pianist, and others may know me as a church pianist. But whenever I have the opportunity to combine the two of these things together, and it's appropriate, I like to take an old hymn and put new chords to it. For example, you may be familiar with this doxology, which is known as Praise God from whom all blessings flow. Notice there is no time signature. Some people in certain denominations hold out certain notes a little longer than others. And notice that it's written in 4-part harmony, soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. I'm going to play this straight for you the first time. Okay, sound familiar? I started working on this tune and putting in pencil some ideas for other chords. You may notice the chart looks pretty messy, pretty busy there. And being that I was working on this a Saturday night before a Sunday AM early service, I decided to write it out a little bit easier to read form for myself. This is a technique I often do when I'm going to reharmonize or put new chords to a familiar tune, is I will get rid of all the chord changes and just write out the melody. So as you see here, there's nothing but the melody, but I did put the music into measures a little more like I was hearing it. Then went back to sketching in some of the chords. It is still quite messy to read. So my next thing and final thing I did with this was I elongated some of the rhythms of the melody so I could stretch it out and put in some more chords. I hope you like my new version of the old 100th.